enchanted castle where the magic begins. Grab your magic pencil, let the colors spin. From royal hairstyles to a carriage of light, at Princess Design Academy, you're shining bright. The royal way, mirror brings the sparkle to every day. How pretty is brave with the brush in her hand. The cedar draws the cutest shapes in the land. Aphrodite knows fashion, so she can so fine. The lights to make sure that her accessories shine. A high heel shoe or a magic fish in the sea. It's time to fly.